Alright, in my video today I'm going to demonstrate you how can you use different unit of measures for purchase ordering in OpenBOM. So think about you have bill of materials for cocktail. So and you have ingredients that in the cocktail measure it in a particular unit of measure, like for example cup, teaspoon, this is the unit of measures that you get in the bill of materials when you create a recipe for a cocktail. But at the same time, you need to order materials, and you order them in a different unit of measures. You buy in gallons or you buy in pounds. So how to create a bill of materials and purchase order in OpenBOM that will take into account these two unit of measures. So what you're gonna do, here is my catalog. And I create part numbers and the unit of measures and cost per unit of measure that I use in the BOM. That would be very useful for cost calculations in the BOM. But in addition to that, I create few more pieces of information. I create a property purchased unit, and that would be just information. I'm buying gallons, bottles, and pounds. And I create a purchasing multiplier that will help me to understand how many of cups in a gallon and how many of teaspoons in a bottle and how many of teaspoons in the pound of salt. So those are multipliers that I can easily find on the internet, or I can calculate them and I put them in my catalog. So what happens next? So the next is that I have a bill of materials. I created the bill of materials of the cocktail. So you see, I put water, I put rum, and I put salt. Not sure about this cocktail, but you get the point. So now what I put quantities, and this is my bill of materials. Now I won't do anything with bill of materials, although I can calculate easy cost of this bill of materials. We'll do it in the next video. But for the moment, I will create an order BOM. So I will create an order BOM. Let's say I'm going to have a party of thousands cocktails. So I'm selling the party and I'm going to make 1,000 cocktails. So how many of bottles, pounds of salts and water I need to buy? So this is my party order. So when I created this order, now I do have information about how many of this quantity of teaspoons and quantity of water and quantity of salt I need, but in the units of bill of materials. So now let's add one more property here. Insert property, and I will add the property units to order. Okay, so it can be any number, so you can call it whatever you want. So units to order will be a simple formula of quantity required, or you can do quantity gap. It's usually easier. Quantity gap, then divide to this multiplier, purchasing multiplier, which means that I have this amount of teaspoons in a gallon, okay, for example. And now I put it here, and now I get the numbers. So I need to put an ordering quantity. So I have ordering quantity, gallons, bottles, pounds. So I can rearrange it a little bit and put the purchasing units up and units to order, so they will be aligned nicely. And now you can see I have units to orders and purchasing units. So this is how you organize and convert units for ordering in OpenBOM while creating bill of materials in one unit of measure and then buy materials in different unit of measures. So that was Oleg, and I will talk to you soon in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.